तुम्ही पयले आसतले आमी आतां 3 वर्सां जाली हयच आमी आझाद मैदानाचेर येता आनी इश्यू रेज करता आनी इश्यू रेज करून ते सीएमाच्या कानार पावता आनी सीएम कितें तरी करता. सो सद्याक आतां 50% सीएमान काम केलां, तर उरले 50% आहा ते कोण करतलो ते आमकां खबर ना. आमी आतां 5 म्हयने 5 फावटी आतां मेल बरयला सीएमाक की आमकां एक अपॉयंटमेंट दी. ते ह्या म्हयन्यान आमी 5 फावटी बरयला, सीएमान आमकां अपॉयंटमेंट अजून दिवंक ना. सो थोडे आमचे उरले कामां जे सीएमाक सांगूंक जाय. सो आमी आतां सकाळच्यान चिंतताले बाबा सीएमाच्या बंगल्यान वचों काय सेक्रेटरीन वचों. कित्याक मॅटर आतां इज गोईंग लिटल स्लो. ओके, like Arthur told that there is a matter in the human rights which they have told to the chief secretary to implement, which we understand. Now after that what? So आमकां तो अपॉयंटमेंट सीएम दिवंक शकना आनी आमकां तर सीएम आमचे आयकोंक शकना जाल्यार आमकां आतां वयचो पडटलो थिंगा भायर बसपाक. नाजाल्यार फाल्यां पत्तो हांगा येवचो पडलो, जाल्यार मंडे पत्तो येवचो पडटलो. डेली आमकां येवचो पडटलो जे पर्यंत सीएम आमकां अपॉयंटमेंट दिना. कित्याक आमी चीफ सेक्रेटरी कडेन लॅटरी घालता, फायनान्सा कडेन लॅटरी घालता, सेक्रेटरी कडेन लॅटरी घालता, डायरेक्टरा कडेन लॅटरी घालता आनी कोणा कडेन उरल्या तेंचे कडेन लॅटरी घालून जालें काबार. सो द इश्यू इज दॅट आर IPHB first time in 10 years what we are doing this work has crossed 100%. We stopped this work, we reduced this work somewhere in August when we handed over 30 residents to government and government took those residents without any documentation, without any papers, without any formality. Now if the government can take them without any formality and provide them the facility what they are providing to other residents in provisional areas, the same thing should be also applied to us. They are asking us for documents which we have explained to CM very clearly that to make the documents this is the procedure. And honorable CM आयकला, त्याने 2 ऑर्डरी इश्यू केला, 2 ऑफिसराक अपॉइंट केला. पूण ऑफिसर सांगता आमकां SOP दिवंक ना, आमकां पावर दिवंक ना, तो आमी तुका हेल्प करूंक शकना. कळना की ऑफिसर हेल्प करिना, कोत्ता ते. पूण जे पर्यंत ती मिटींग जायना आनी जे पर्यंत ते सिस्टम सकयल पावयना ते पर्यंत आमचे अहेच उरतले. सो कमिंग बॅक टू IPHB. सो एक बोर्ड आसता IPHB, 2 म्हयने जाले ते बोर्ड तेंच्यांनी अपलोड करून दे आर सपोज टू अपलोड दॅट बोर्ड डेली बेसीस. एंड लायक आय सेड, December 2025 IPHB's occupancy has crossed 101%, which has never crossed last 10 years. Today it may be at 120 to 115%, which is on a 190 bed they may be about 225 to 230. Sometimes we also don't get admission, so we also have to make some noise there. Like us, there may be so many people who are not getting admission. Endless proposals we have given to CM. CM has listened. Some of that he has put in Niti Aayog in 2025 March Niti Aayog meeting. And one proposal which he put was each district has to have one psychiatric institute. So now we have reached a level where CM is promising one thing, but administration is not implementing what CM is promising. CM is saying don't take any more charge, which we are not taking any more charge. But how do we reach the CM? The people who are reading the mails are not giving us the appointment. The people who are kept to convey our messages to the CM is not conveying the message. And even if the message is conveyed to the CM, CM is not calling us for a meeting. So we have no alternative either to come to Azad Maidan or either to go to CM's bungalow with all these people and get an appointment with him. Only then we can discuss the further matters with the CM, raise our issues and tell him, sir, see, this is our problem, this is what you promised, but this is not implemented. You must be aware that in the assembly, June 2025 assembly, we raised the issue that he raised many issues, which we clarified. Now, will he raise the same issues in the assembly that his administration is not listening to him? Will he raise these issues in the assembly that his directors and concerned people running the departments are not listening to him? Or will he only shout about the NGOs? It is very disappointing. You have money for event management. you have money for all types of activities, but what is allocated in the budget, that you are not doing. So, if our problems are not solved or not heard, then who do we address it? I cannot live with this stress, neither can I live with the pressure, because there are 150 people to feed, there are 50 to 60 staff with us, so there are costs rising. We want to meet the CM, otherwise we have to take them one night or one early morning and park them all outside his house, and then it will become an issue. So Honorable CM, you have said send you an email, which we have sent 5 emails. You have not given us the appointment. We understand you have other important issues to sort out, but 1 month to not reply to our email is not acceptable to us. So from here now, we will decide whether to go to his bungalow and wait for him, or whether to come back tomorrow again here and wait and sit here, or come back again on Monday. Now today there is no rain, so it's okay. But if it's raining, then how will come? So we have many issues to discuss, which we will discuss with the CM. But we want that appointment, because he gives appointment to everybody except us. Thank you.